Most of the drugs being approved by the FDA have never been shown to work. No, that's ridiculous. We started this investigation because we knew a lot of drugs were being approved on the basis of flimsy evidence. And so we set out to create a database to find out just how many drugs. We actually were shocked by what we found. We created the database thinking, oh, yeah, there'll be a lot of drugs that are approved on the basis of very little evidence. Well, then we find that 73% of them are approved that way. Doctors think that if it's FDA approved, it's been shown to be safe and effective, and it's not always true.
The pharmaceutical industry is one of the, if not the top funder of all our Congress people. So they go along with industry's demand to make these approvals faster and faster. There are conditions that we haven't had a drug for thousands of years. Why we suddenly can get that in 1 week, which is what Marty McCary is saying.
Why does it take over 10 years for a drug to come to market? That entire process is loaded with needless red tape.
Making things go faster and faster and saying that's innovation means it's innovation without testing for safety, without even testing really to know the drugs work.
I think people should use that database in two ways. Number one, find out just how bad it is and write your congressman. But number two, you can actually look up whatever drugs that you're taking and find out whether or not they were approved on the basis of good evidence. These stories are about real people, and it's not just a bunch of science. It's about what happens when people take drugs that don't work or hurt them. Look, I want people to read the full story on thelever.com.
The Lever.